Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Today we're making it count by making nutrient-rich and delicious evening entertainment snacks. Snacks like dark chocolate fondue with a huge variety of dipping choices. Some you may or may not have thought of, but it just gives it a whole new flavor palette for you.
Yes, it does. It really does. And not only that, Mom, but the dark chocolate yields so many healthy benefits. So, you know, dip, dip, dip.
Oh my goodness. Some of the healthy benefits of dark chocolate, it's a powerful source of antioxidants.
It is.
It helps raise healthy cholesterol and lowers your risk of cardiovascular disease risks. As well as, one more thing, it helps protect your skin from the sun. But remember, moderation is the key.
Word moderation. Why must you say that word?
Exactly.
Goodness gracious. But the next great find we have is our homemade Greek yogurt dip. Now, this is super awesome, and not to mention it's very easy to make. It has 3 ingredients, which makes it extremely kid-friendly to make as well in the kitchen with your kiddos, right? So it has peanut butter, Greek yogurt, of course, and honey. Simple.
And you can't go wrong with any of those ingredients. And last, we have our spicy homemade hummus. Now, hummus can be made at home very inexpensively, but you have your choice of either one. And if you make them at home, you can change your level of heat, so it can go from mild to firehouse red if you want it.
What? Mom, wait a minute. We forgot to tell them about what spicy seasonings can do for your body.
Tell me.
Oh my goodness, it can help rev your metabolism and burn calories.
Oh, wait a minute. Burning calories without movement? Intentional movement? I'll take it. Give me the spice.
Your digestive tract and your whole body is working overtime to bring that temperature, that body temperature down. It's pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting. And there you have it. It's a wonderful evening of entertaining with your family, friends, or just, you know what? How about just with yourself?
That's right.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy and flavorful, fun recipes.
And when you try this at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.